Hey Alba amigos, are you struggling with your splits? Do you feel like it's one step forward and two steps back? My name is Hannah, I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a yoga teacher trainer, and in today's video, I am going to share with you some common mistakes that I have found holding people back from nailing their splits. Remember, watch all the way to the end where I will share a hack that is going to blow your mind. So tip number one, we often see people passive stretching, which is a great starting point, but it's not the finish line. We need to engage the whole nervous system to get results, especially if mobility isn't our strong point. We need to hit it from every angle. For example, PNF is not only good for the tissues of the body, but also helps the brain feel safer trying out new shapes. You can learn more about that technique in this video. Tip 2, avoid overstretching or going too far too soon. We've all been there. We get overly keen and end up overstretching and hurting ourselves, which means that we then have to rest, and that kills our gains. Remember the phrase, fast is slow and slow is fast. Meaning, if you rush the process, you might then end up hurting yourself, and then it could take months to get back on track. But if you take your time and slowly move into the process, you're more likely to inch your way to success. Think tortoise and hare. Your body will get there, and even if it doesn't, that's okay. Remember that your range of motion is dependent on far more than just your tissues. That's why when you're under anesthetic, you are so flexible. That's because your range of motion has more to do with your nervous system. This is a vast topic, but one of the nervous system hacks that's helped us is this. Try when you're doing your splits practice next, snap your eyes to the direction of the back leg and see if that helps you gain more range. We have so many more tips like this, so check out the Ultimate Splits Hack video. It has a bunch of brain hacks in it, can help you nail those splits.